What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and for today ko puligo udto na. So ito yun na nato kay we'll be testing this hair clipper nga akong na-order sa Lazada. Let's begin.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello everyone, so today we're going to cut my brother's hair. So we have tools to use. These are from Lazada. So we've got this. And nasa yung mga nasa yung mga sudlay nga pakapin. So naa siya grade 3 nga sudlay, grade 2, grade 4.
Kinder.
Huwag na ay grade 1. Yay! Gisingit ko. So, to cut the hair, we will start with this one. Bitaw, sige. We will use number 3 for his hair. Ako kabaw og unsay dagway sa resulta ni. And of course, we have the Barber sudlay, which is ting ting. So, una sa tanan, dapat na amoy kurente sa inyong balay. Okay? Ikaduha, isaksak na gawin. Test the current by turning the device on. Wala lagi yan. Lulu. So every stroke ni mo na nakagamay ang kita. Kita mo. Kung wala, di okay.
Okay. May gala.
Dili siya ihurot.
Ay, kuwan ba? Ayaw baga ang buhok. Iyak sa ko.
Alis na nun.
Tangat sa oil.
Oil. So, kinahanglan siya butngag oil. Kay requirement siya sa governor. And permission number. Yeah. Oh.
Yun.
Okay, let's do it again. So, daghay mag-wonder nga nung na-ay numbering ang mga ngipon sa razor. Saan eh?
Ano? Pitawagan.
Vibrator. The reason why na siya yung mga numbers because comment down below.
Ganang ni number.
Ganong na ay number ang makatubag bright. So, dili siya mao akong expectation ng one stroke, matangtang matanan. I don't know if it has something to do with the blade or the teeth na imong gigamit. But probably, ano lang yung style. One layer at a time. Kailangan siya patience. like this. Nani siya kataas. Ngayon na ako babalik-balikan.
Okay, so we're almost done. Gamay na lang.
I'm just doing the finishing line here.
Apa?
At this stage, your main concern is to ensure that the hair actually has, you know, the same height or length. Pineapple.
Brushy.
You know what's the tricky part of cutting a man's hair is to make sure that it is even, especially if semi-upaw siya. Because it's very abusable. Spell abusable. Dapat yun abtik ang mata. In English, make sure that your eyes is fast. Sure.
Okay.
So we're done. I guess so.
Yeah, so may mga kabang-kabang gamay. So expect that it's our first time to use the hair clipper. So if ever you
Uy,
also...
mong giingon ang answer.
Hmm?
Mong giingon ang answer.
Ang ano diyan?
Diba mo tanong sa nila yan?
Sige lang. So if ever you need one, you can order at Lazada. It takes 2 to 3 weeks delivery. Kahit mo sa quarantine. But you know, if tambal natin sa kainin para medyo kaya kayo sa pamati. So I think that's just it for today. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye! Rain, Panginlo na Rain! Nag-video ba ako? Naman na, Panginlo na ta. Sipay naman ako. Bago na eh.